Good afternoon, guys. In our BSc Microbiology second year, one subject is genetic. Unit first. Topic mutation. Mutation means changing the structure of gene. Mutation refer to sudden heritable change in the phenotype of an individual. Mutation refer to sudden heritable means gene transmissible from parent to offspring in the phenotype of an individual. In the molecular term, mutation is defined as the permanent and relatively rare change in the number or sequence of nucleotides. Mutation was first discovered by Seth Bright in 1791 in male lamb, which means a baby of sheep which had short legs. Later on, mutation was reported by Hugo de Varies in 19 in Oenothera. Oenothera is in a Latin language, it is a sporophytic plant. Morgan. In 1910, Drosophila vitae mutant and several others in various. Drosophila means a female mosquito. Characteristics of mutation. Mutation have several characteristics features. First, frequency. Frequency means the rate at which something occurs over a particular period. Spontaneous mutation means the net result of all that can go wrong with DNA during the life cycle of organism occur at a very low frequency. However, the mutation rate can be enhanced manifold by the use of physical and chemical mutagens. Enhance means increase manifold by the physical or chemical changes in variety of organism. The frequency of mutation for a gene is calculated as follows. Frequency of gene mutation equal to m upon m plus n, where m equal to number of individual expressing mutation for a gene. Expressing a mutation means a basic and important change, and n equal to number of normal individuals in a population. Then second characteristic is nature of change. Mutation are more or less permanent and heritable change in the phenotype of an individual. Such changes occur due to alternation in number, kind or sequence of nucleotide of genetic material, that is DNA, in most of the case. Alternation means repeated in two things and opposite. And third is mutation rate. Mutation rate, the probability that a given base pair or a large region of DNA change with time. Mutation rate varies from gene to gene, and some gene exhibit high mutation rate, means some gene exhibit means show a high rate mutation than others. Such genes are known as mutable genes. Mutable means a higher than usual rate of mutation. Example, Vitiin Drosophila. In some genomes, some genes enhance the natural mutation rate of other genes. Genomes means a complete set of DNA is a genome. Some genes increase the natural mutation rate of other genes. Now, such genes are termed as mutator genes. Mutator gene means the genes that elevate the genomic mutation rate. The example of mutator gene is dotted gene in maize. Maize means makka. In some cases, some genes decrease the frequency of spontaneous mutation of other genes in the some genome, which are referred to as anti-mutator genes. Anti-mutator genes means mutant strain that have reduced mutation rate compared to the corresponding wild type strain. Such gene has been reported in bacteria and bacteriophage. Bacteriophage means viruses that infect and replicate only in bacterial cells. Now, other characteristic is direction of change. Direction of change means the act of turning away or in the opposite direction. Mutation usually occur from dominant to recessive allele or wild type to mutant allele. Guys, dominant and recessive you are study in 12th and 10th in Whitaker rules. Wild type to mutant. However, wild type mutants means a term used to describe a gene when it's found in its natural and non-mutant form. However, reverse mutation are also none. Reverse mutation means phenotype altering forward mutations, and example notch wing and var eye in Drosophila. Notch wing means notch activity regulates the expression of several genes. Now, other characteristic is effect. Effect means effect is on mutation and individuals. Mutation are generally harmful to the organism. In other words, most of the mutation have deleterious effect. Only about 0.1% of the induced mutation are useful in crop improvement. Deleterious effect means it does turn or make things worse. Worse means poor quality. And induced mutation that is purposely done by using certain chemicals. And guys, we are seeing that on our crop many pupils used many fertilizers, pesticides. It is a deleterious effect on crop improvement. In majority of case, mutant allele have a pleiotropic effect. Pleiotropic effect means action other than those for which the agent was specifically developed, or a single gene affecting multiple systems. It is pleiotropic effect. Mutation give rise to multiple alleles of a gene. Then other characteristic is site of mutation. The mutation occur at the specific site which in turn is placing occur. It is the meaning of site of mutation. Mutation, which is a subdivision of gene, is the site of mutation. Subdivision means is the half division or is a part of division. An average gene contains 500 to 1000 mutational sites. Within a gene, some sites are highly mutable and then others. These are generally referred to as hotspot. Hotspot means highly vulnerable because of destruction. Hotspot means destruction या destroyed. Mutation may occur in any tissue of an organism, that is somatic or gametic. Somatic means an extreme focus on physical symptoms, and gametic means germ cell, which is haploid chromosomes. Types of event. Mutation are random events. They may occur in any gene, nuclear or cytoplasmic. It is a type of event done in nuclear and cytoplasm both, and at any stage of development of an individuals. And other last characteristic is reoccurrence. Reoccurrence means the fact of occurring again and again, a new occurrence of something that happened or appeared before. Some type of mutation may occur repeatedly or again and again in different individuals of the some population. These mutations are of recurrent nature. Recurrent means again and again होने वाला mutation.